In order to impress my girlfriend on dating, I want to learn spoken English. In this video, I am going to introduce you one app from Play Store, and believe me, that is the best app till today which I have got experience, because I'm using this from a month and I have got an amazing experience. If you don't believe, watch the entire video, you will get it with a proof. Yeah, I'll show it to you with a proof. So this video is going to be helpful for all those who want to impress their girlfriends.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And also for a guy who is firmly determined to crack his interviews or any other educational related things. So the app which I am going to share with you all is Hello, and not that app which was banned some days ago. This is HALLO, Hello. So believe me guys, this is not any kind of sponsored video, because this app is such an amazing app, and I thought it should be shared with you all guys, so that you also get an benefit. Are you a guy who feels like, I want to improve my English spoken skills, but I am not getting anyone who can speak with me in English? So I am here to end that worry. So let's dive into the Play Store and hunt that app. So I'll search as Hello, and here the third app which has its logo as palm, not the first one, third one. So here is the app. You can also see that they have clearly mentioned this app is for education purpose. It has got more than 23,000 reviews, and they are like 4.4. that is very well for such a app. And there are more than 1 million downloads, which is very interesting thing. That means you have got 10 lakh people who can speak with you, and not only they are from India, but they are from each and every corner of the world.
Wow!
So isn't it amazing? Let's also see what the users have said. It is a nice application for English learning. You can find native speakers and also students, and that for free. One of the best application for learn and improve your English skills. It's a fantastic application for improving speaking, and you can make some friends all over the world. So it's highly recommended. You won't regret. Install it. So see, the user has said that you won't regret. Please install this app, because you will be installing so many apps which are not worthy, and you just get regretted after installing that app. But you are not gonna face that thing when you install this app. Wait, don't get so excited, because there are still many things I have to share. Let's dive into the app and see what are the things inside the app. So imagine these days you were saying that I am not getting even a single person who can speak with me in English, but see, now you can get 10 lakh people who can speak you, not only in the daytime, even in the night time, because this app is gonna work for 24/7. So as I am science student, I have to say it that our globe is round, and if it is night here in India, on the other side in America and other countries it is day. So
Yeah, I don't know, man. Gajab bejati hai.
so people there will be using this app, and you can communicate with them as well. So isn't it amazing? Let's dive into the app right now. So here you can see on the right above corner like Insta Match. So I am gonna click it now. So we can speak with a random person from any part of the world, and you can just go on speaking. Hi Ajay, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Uttarakhand. What's about you?
So buddy, I am from Karnataka. So since how long you are using this app?
I've been using this app for 1 year, and yeah, for 1 year.
Oh, 1 year. So that's really great. And what was your experience on this app?
Yeah, this application is really amazing to learn English, and also like it's for free. Like you can practice with other random peoples for free.
Okay,
It's really
so
helpful, and the people who are using this application, the only purpose is learning English, and yeah, it's very safe also. It's also safe for girls. Yeah, and free live classes also are available in this application, so you can
and we can
join those
speak
also.
to any we can speak with anyone who we want, like random people.
Yeah, random people. Yeah, that's also really when I started, I had some fear, like talking in English, practicing in English with my friends and all. That's why I shifted on this application. And if you talk with the random people, so it's have not that much fear. So yeah, that's really helpful.
So as you guys saw that I spoke with Ajay who was from Uttarakhand. So you guys can speak any long you wish, and we can see that very different classes are going on. These are not like formal classes which you people get in like Zoom or Google Meets. These are like people like you, they just come here and they spend the time improving their English skills. Like you can see here Emily, she is speaking and 7 people are watching her conversation. So let us try.
But in comparison to Muslims in India, Nepal have very less number of Muslims.
Yes, you are right. In India, the numbers of Muslim majority is quite high in comparatively to Nepal. Yes, but if you just look at the Hindu religion of India and Nepal, they're very similar.
Hey guys,
Hey, hi Prashant, hi.
yeah, where are you all from?
Yeah, Sandeep is from India, south part of India. Is from Hyderabad.
Okay,
I'm Vivek. I'm from India.
and we have also got like Vladimir Putin with us.
Yeah,
Vitamin
Yeah.
protein, where he is from?
vitamin protein. I'm from Nepal.
Okay, from Nepal. We have got people all around the like Asia.
Yeah, yes.
Uh-huh.
Asia continent.
And
Exactly.
what were you discussing about? What was the topic going on? You have
Yeah,
to
we
tell
are
5 words with any sentence, and so we can improve vocabulary. So you are doing really well.
Yeah, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So when did you start this session?
Yeah, before 1 hour back.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
like what all the things you are doing?
Yeah, Vivek, answer it. Okay.
Okay, so nothing much, Prashant. We're just discussing about the vocabularies for a while. Then, as everyone knows, we cannot learn for more than 1 hour. So we're just discussing some fun topic. Like Vitamin was asking me the experience of Nepal and India. So I was just simply answering it.
And 15 people are watching your discussion.
Yes,
They're
exactly.
watching, listening, and they're engaged with us.
And even
Through
they are
comments.
improving their vocabulary as well with you all.
Yeah,
Yes.
Prashant. Who is
Their
talking
listening skills.
who is talking only not improving their communication skills, and they are not only who is listening also they can improve
Yeah,
themselves.
this is, I think this is
Exactly.
very well, because those who are not shy and they can speak, but who are feeling like still I have to improve my listening skills and all, they can listen to you all. And later when they
Yeah,
feel
yes.
they
You're
are perfect, they can join you all. So as you saw, I had entered one of the classes and I communicated with them, and the best thing of this app is all the people are very sweet, and they are like not people from other apps who are for selfish needs. So if you are trying to really improve your English speaking skills, this app is going to the best. And to make it more best, the app is also designed in such a way that if you find someone very like his accent is good, and you think that you can communicate with him, you can also get connected with him here you can chat if you want. And also the best things here are, you should only use English. If you use Hindi or any like slangs or abusive words, they will warn you once, and if you continue for the second time, you will be suspended. So is Aren't it good for all those who want to really improve their English? Also, you can get like the classes are of teachers, students, like who are following you, for those who are beginners, intermediate, advanced, and these classes are all of free of cost. Yeah, there are still some paid classes. If you want to try them, you can try, but these all which you can see on the screen are all free of cost. Daily hundreds of classes will be running, and you can join them and you can speak to them. And one more thing, if you want to go live like all others, you can press the blue button which you can see here. So here like this you can go live as well. So to make it easier for you all guys, I'll provide the link of the app in the description. You can go and install it through that link, and I'll wish you all for a new English learning journey which you had not ever thought in your wildest dreams. So with this, I want to end this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and also like the video. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.